Hey, we in Hikodos, Hikodos, Sri Lanka. Welcome to Sri Lanka. So
Welcome to Turtle Farm.
that's a farm. So this is
That's
my
eggs.
hand. Look, it's an eggs. She's
That's
die
egg.
already?
Huh?
Die? No, still
Yeah,
die.
die. But normally, anytime I am take out, now it's die. But other one I found in 100 days. So
No, don't change, don't change.
No.
Okay.
You eat some.
It's like a ping
yeah,
pong.
small story, madam. Night time, big turtle come on the beach, laying eggs. Village people night time working the beach, they remove the eggs. Morning they sell to village for eat.
Oh, really?
Yeah,
Oh.
I pay a
You
little
like
bit
this?
high money.
Don't change.
I pay 1 next 20 rupees. I buy. After I found in like this good sun, 48 days. Babies automatically come out. After the baby's born time, I keep in the tanks. 3 days after, people came here. I give to hand, release to the ocean.
So, big, it's a egg. They
Yeah.
become the big one. So, good. Here we go. Can I touch them?
Yeah. You can hold it. This is green turtle.
Look at that! They're playing.
They're fighting.
Oh, they're fighting? I thought they're playing.
Oh my God.
I thought
But together living, they're
playing.
fighting. You can take the handmade photos.
Can I?
Yeah. You take.
It's not bite me?
No.
Oh,
They bite very funny.
so cute. เห็นไหมคะ เราจะเจอที่เกาะตาชัยที่ไทยแลนด์ So in
This is
Thailand
cool.
we have as well, but you know we have to go like the island.
Are you from Thailand?
Yeah, I'm Thai, from Thailand. So cute.
You kiss it.
No, they're gonna bite me. Alright,
Yeah.
I'll let you go, honey.
Here, not eagle kill the turtles? No. No?
Alright. So what about this one?
Yeah, this is one
No.
injured. One finch
No way.
lost maybe in the ocean. They go inside the fisherman net, fishing net.
Right.
Yeah, after to tie nylon, they try fast swimming.
How long for this to go?
Been here 3 months before.
So and how old are they?
Yeah, they now 20 years old.
20 years
And
old.
Yeah.
they live in more than 100 years, maximum 200 years, the life.
I want to live like that to 200 years and
And
200 years.
yes, you can adjust your heart very slowly. And their heart is working very, very slowly.
That's why it can stay longer.
Yeah.
That's why, right? So that means your heart has to be slowly and breathing slowly.
And same like this biggest one, 35 years old. They cutting the boat propeller. One fins lost and one side safe. That
Okay.
poor turtle, madam, same like this, like
500 rupees for visit his farm. So we are in capital beach.
and you have to turn your money and use buy more eggs.
Oh, you mean when we buy tickets?
Yeah.
So you're gonna buy more egg from
Yeah,
users,
yeah.
from like fisherman. So
Yeah.
and they're gonna have a live donation. It's donation.
And
Sorry.
handicap one, I keep it. I have every day. I need 10 kilo fish, feeding all the turtles, the foods. Yeah, your money I use running that project, and good thing, this nature.
He's a cool man. So what's your name?
Ruan.
Ruan. So can you tell us how you're gonna visit here, the address or maybe like mobile phone number? So
It's mine. My brother is new to cars.
yes.
There I have all details.
Okay, don't worry. I'm gonna put on that. So
Yeah.
Number you can have
Ah.
video game.
It's my number 0094
0094
yeah 77
77
697
697
45
45. That's it.
21.
21. All right. All right, see you guys walking around.